going to see the exercise problem. So unit 3, perimeter, area and volume. So listen, exercise problems. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 11 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. So you have to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So first you have to know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B, that is length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. So what is length? What is length? Length is 11 centimeter. Breadth is 5 centimeter. So 2 into, you substitute length and breadth. Okay, in the formula you substitute length and breadth. So what is length? 11 centimeter plus what is breadth? 5 centimeter. That is equal to 2 into, you add 11 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. That is 11 plus 5 is 16 centimeter. That is equal to, so you multiply 16 into 2. So 16 2s are 32 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is 32 centimeter. Next, see the second sum. Find the perimeter of square. Find the perimeter of a square handkerchief. So we have to find the perimeter of square. Okay, perimeter of square handkerchief whose side is 16 centimeter. You all know square all sides are equal. You all know that. So what is perimeter formula? Perimeter of a square formula 4 into side. So 4 into side, this is the formula of perimeter of square. So side is given. What is side? 16 centimeters. Side is shortly denoted by small s. Okay, that is equal to 4 into, substitute the side number. What is the number? 16 centimeter. So you multiply 16 into 4. So you multiply 16 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 2 carry over. 4 1 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. That is equal to 64 centimeter. This is your answer. So perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square we have seen. Next we see area of square, area of rectangle. Next we see third sum. Find the area of a rectangular carpet. So find the area of a rectangle. So you have to know the area of rectangle. So before we see perimeter of a rectangle, now it is area of a rectangular carpet that is 90 centimeter long and 30 centimeter wide. So we have to know area of a rectangle formula. So area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So what is length? Length is 90 centimeter. What is breadth? B is equal to 30 centimeter. So you substitute L and B in this formula. So what is L? 90 centimeter. So into breadth is 30 centimeter. Now you multiply 90 into 30. Okay. So 90 into 30 if you multiply. So 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 9 is 0. Then you multiply 3, 0. 9 3s are 27. So 2700. So 2700. So centimeter into centimeter, you will get centimeter the whole square. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter whole square. So area vandale centimeter square vandalum. Okay. See this fourth sum. Find the area of a square. So find the area of a square. Shaped postage. So find the area of a square shaped postage stamp of side 2 centimeter. So square shape postage stamp. Stamp ella paathirpeenga. So stamp வந்து square shaped irukku. You have to find the area of a square. So what is the formula for area of a square? That is side into side. So side is shortly denoted S. So side into side. So what is S is given? Side is 2 centimeter. You substitute this 2 centimeter in this formula. So 2 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So So what is 2 2s are 4. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter the whole square. So we have seen area of rectangle and area of square. Okay. So we have to know the formula. Next is the fifth sum. Find the volume of a cuboid. You have to find the volume of a cuboid of length 5 centimeter, breadth 2 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. So you have to find the volume of a cuboid. So what is the formula for volume of a cuboid? So volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. So length is given. What is length? 5 centimeter. What is breadth? B. B is equal to 2 centimeter. What is height? H. H is equal to 4 centimeter. So you have to substitute length, breadth and height in this formula. So that is equal to, so what is length? 5 centimeter into breadth 2 centimeter into height is 4 centimeter. Now listen, you have to multiply first two number. 5 2s are, what is 5 2s are? 10. 10 4s are, what is 10 4s are? 40. So first you multiply 5 2s are, that is 10. 10 into 4, 40. So in volume means, so what is centimeter into centimeter into centimeter? Centimeter the whole cube. Centimeter the whole power 3. Okay. So 40 centimeter is the answer. Let us say sixth sum. Find the volume of a cube. We have to find the volume of a cube box with each side measuring 9 centimeter. So we find the volume of a cube box with each side measuring 9 centimeter. So you have to know the volume of a cube. So last sum, volume of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height is given. Now we have to find volume of a cube. So what is the formula of volume of a cube? Side into side into side. So whose side is 9 centimeters given. So you substitute what is S? That is 9 centimeter. So you substitute side into side into side. So 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter. That is equal to. So your volume means you have at last unit is centimeter the whole cube. So you write this, then you multiply what is 9 into 9. 9 9s are. So 9 9s are 81. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 9. You multiply 81 into 9. So 9 1s are 9. 8 9s are 72. 8 9s are 72. So therefore 729 centimeter the whole cube is the answer. This is the volume of a cube box with each side measuring 9 centimeter. Okay children, thank you.